Welcome to Like Health. Did you know that just 1 cup of okra water can improve your health in incredible ways? In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful benefits of okra water, each supporting your body and protecting you from serious diseases. From regulating blood sugar to supporting heart and liver health, these benefits are backed by science. You'll also discover how okra water aids digestion, helps with weight management, boosts immunity, and improves skin health. Each benefit we discuss is directly connected to your overall well-being in a clear and tangible way. By drinking a cup of okra water daily, you provide your body with a natural remedy and strong protection. Stay with us to learn how okra water can protect you from 7 serious health issues in a simple, natural way. Let's begin our journey into the incredible health benefits of okra water and see how this natural drink can transform your health.
Benefit number 1.
Balances blood sugar levels. Okra water is packed with soluble fiber that slows down sugar absorption in the digestive tract. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. For people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this effect can be very beneficial. Studies show that compounds like myricetin in okra improve insulin sensitivity. Drinking okra water daily may help keep your blood sugar more stable throughout the day. Unlike medications, it's a natural and gentle way to support your body's glucose balance. Even small amounts can make a noticeable difference over time. This hidden power is why so many people are starting their day with okra water. Benefit number 2.
Supports digestive health.
The slimy texture of okra water comes from mucilage, a natural soothing fiber. This mucilage coats the stomach and intestines, protecting them from irritation. It helps reduce acid reflux, heartburn, and inflammation in the digestive tract. Regular consumption can improve bowel movements and prevent constipation. Okra water also nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. People with sensitive stomachs often notice relief after drinking it daily. It's a gentle, natural way to keep your digestive system balanced and happy. This secret shows that okra water is not just a drink, it's a natural digestive booster. Benefit number 3. Cleanses and protects the liver. Okra water contains powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenol, that help detoxify the liver. These compounds assist your liver in removing harmful toxins from the body efficiently. Regular consumption can support liver function and improve overall metabolic health. It may help prevent liver damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Some studies suggest okra water can protect the liver from fatty buildup and inflammation. This natural cleansing effect is gentle, yet highly effective over time. By drinking okra water daily, you give your liver a natural boost it rarely gets. It's a hidden secret that can contribute to long-term vitality and energy.
Benefit number 4. Supports heart health.
Okra water is rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, in the blood. Lowering LDL can prevent plaque buildup in the arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease. It also contains antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. Potassium in okra water helps regulate blood pressure naturally. By improving blood circulation and reducing cholesterol, it supports overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption can help maintain a healthy heart rhythm and prevent arterial damage. This natural heart-boosting effect is often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Drinking okra water daily is a simple step to protect your heart for the long term.
Benefit number 5.
Aids weight management. Okra water is low in calories but rich in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. This can naturally reduce your appetite and prevent overeating throughout the day. It slows down the absorption of sugar and fat, supporting healthy metabolism. Regular consumption may help reduce belly fat and improve body composition over time. Unlike sugary drinks or processed beverages, it hydrates without adding extra calories. The fiber in okra water also helps regulate digestion, which is important for weight control. Many people notice gradual weight loss when including it as part of their daily routine. This secret shows that okra water is not just healthy, It can support your weight goals naturally. Benefit number 6.
Boosts immunity.
Okra water is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. These compounds help your body fight infections and reduce inflammation naturally. Regular consumption can improve your body's resistance to common colds and flu. It also supports the production of white blood cells, which are essential for immunity. Polyphenol in okra protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. A strong immune system means faster recovery from illnesses and better overall health. Drinking okra water daily provides a natural, gentle boost to your body's defenses. This secret makes okra water a powerful ally in staying healthy year-round.
Benefit number 7. Promotes healthy skin.
Okra water is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help protect the skin from damage. These nutrients fight free radicals that cause premature aging and wrinkles. It also supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. The hydration from okra water helps maintain smooth, glowing skin naturally. Some studies suggest it can reduce inflammation and redness in sensitive skin. Drinking it regularly may help prevent dryness and promote a healthy complexion. Its natural vitamins and minerals nourish the skin from the inside out. This secret shows that okra water is not just for health, it's a natural beauty booster too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new